Welcome back, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Charting Trends for Tesla. I'm TJ. If you haven't already, check out my main channel, Charting Trends for Trading Options, where I look at a different stock every day. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, and if you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. If you want to follow me on social media, those links are below. Now let's get into the chart. All right, here are the charts. We're doing something a little bit different today. I wanted you guys just look at Tesla chart and SPY chart side by side. These are both 10-day, 10-minute charts. And what I want you to see here is just the weakness that we have. So they're moving in sympathy. Obviously, the open was a bit weak for the market, testing the support here pre-market and opening up below initially before rebounding. And you see Tesla a little bit weak pre-market, and this SPY weakness, it drove the price down. You know, if SPY is weak, Tesla is very, very weak. And then here we have the recovery throughout the day. SPY very strong, huge recovery, you know, a little bit of a test of some averages here, and then into the close. Just, I mean, this is pretty crazy. But Tesla, it's hesitant. It's hesitant to follow. It's not as strong, right? A little bit of weakness, Tesla starts to drop like a rock. A whole bunch of strength, and it's not as responsive. And even into the close here, I mean, this is nice to see back above the trend line here. You know, we talked about this thing rebounding as long as the market was strong and working back towards the middle of this channel at 842. But with this kind of strength, you know, normally you would expect to see Tesla up and above, testing this, if not breaking through. And what we're seeing is incredibly sensitive to the downside and not nearly as sympathetic to the market when we start to get strong again. That tells me that Tesla is weak. The market is strong and Tesla is weak, guys. I mean, we're testing this level we haven't seen for a while, honestly. And then we get this kind of a bounce from the market. We barely come up to test the uptrend here. We're still swimming around 800 for most of the day until the SPY confirms here around, you know, 245. No, we're really strong. It's okay. We're going to be fine. And starts to take off, and Tesla finally comes up another 10, 15 points. You know, that's nothing. Like, look at the Tesla that we remember from a few months ago. You know, any kind of market strength, it's going up 50, 100 points a day. You know, this is almost doesn't look like the same stock anymore. So we'll zoom out so we can just look at this real quick. So, you know, the market's strong, so we're back within our price channel here, working back towards the middle theoretically. I mean, the big thing is we're back above this 811 level, so we're not done yet, but we're starting to see much more clearly the weakness in Tesla, especially when the market is not just going straight up, right? So if we start to see sideways action or a serious downturn like we've been talking about in SPY, I mean, guys, we're not going to stay at all-time highs forever. That's just not how it works. I know stocks always go up, but in reality they don't, and we all know that. So when there's a serious market pullback, you know, below 380 or something like that on the SPY, you're going to see Tesla really drop. And until then, I think it's going to be able to stay within this range like we've talked about, moving sideways and consolidating into this 842 level like we've talked about all week. But as long as the SPY continues to do this, that's not going to happen. So keep an eye on the SPY, and of course, as always, the VIX. It's sometimes can give you an idea. If that volatility starts to spike, the market will usually start to drop, and if that happens, be ready, because Tesla could fall out of that channel if we get that pullback that we've been talking about. That's it, guys. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel. And remember to subscribe as well. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. I read all the comments, so if you have a question, I'll definitely get back to you. And if you like my analysis, check out my main channel, Charting Trends for Trading Options, where I look at a different stock every single day. And check out the links in the description to follow me on social media. Thanks, guys, and have a great night.